I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love is just a thread that's keeping traveling within? It ties it back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. Found the answer to the questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore.